From this pool of sorrow I climb, knowing my pain will become strength in time. All these hardships that I face from the start, I use as a stone to sharpen the blade of my heart. And with this blade I'm gonna cut myself free from all these nets that would bind and keep me. 'Cause from this pool of sorrow I climb, knowing my pain will become strength in time. I gotta walk a proud line, my friend. I gotta walk a proud line. I gotta walk a proud line, my friend. I gotta walk a proud line. Oh, my pain is a seed of knowledge I must sow, and with blood and sweat into wisdom it will grow. Ghost of insecurity, you bent me enough, now let me be. You can't keep me down, 'cause through my struggles I only gain the strength and wisdom to see me through your storms of lightning, thunder and rain. 'Cause from this pool of sorrow I climb, knowing my pain will become strength in time. I gotta walk a proud line, my friends. I gotta walk a proud line. I gotta walk a proud line, my friend. I gotta walk a proud line. So willing, yet my flesh is so weak. I don't know if this